Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well and I hope that your family is all healthy. So here we go. The start of our remote learning. I'm working on trying a bunch of different stuff as far as doing online learning, and just try to be patient with me because it's a pretty steep learning curve. And so what I came up with for this week is all within this module that you'll see on Canvas, titled MJC Week 10. So if you go there, which I imagine you have because this video is tucked in start here, I just want to walk you through what I had in mind as you look at all those different pages. So right now we're still studying the invertebrate. And what we would have been studying this week would have been the mollusks and the arthropods, which are two very big groups in marine biology within invertebrate. And so since we won't be able to see them in class, since we're not meeting on campus, I've included some coloring sheets. So if you click on the mollusks coloring sheets and you click on the arthropod coloring sheets, you'll want to print those out so that way as you're going through the lecture slides, you could take notes and add them onto your coloring sheet. Also, do color them and learn their parts. And so you'll know which parts that you want to concentrate on if you also open up the link to the coloring sheet instructions. So I wasn't sure if you would really want to print all of those instructions, so I put them onto a separate page so that way you can decide whether you want to just download them and read them and not necessarily print them or print them. That's entirely up to you. But so those coloring sheet instructions are to really bring your attention to the body parts on both the mollusks and the arthropods. And then the lecture is just a PowerPoint lecture. I designed something very familiar with, how we would go through the material in class. And so that's the lecture. In the lecture are embedded two videos that I think you'll really enjoy. And so those video links are on the page there titled Video Links. So all of these things are what you're going to want to open up and take a look at. And hopefully this all comes through easily to you. I don't know exactly what we'll do next week. I'm kind of doing this just like you. Just, going to try to make up something good for next week based on the fact that, the entire campus will be closed. But anyway, I hope you still feel motivated and can put some energy in towards the class. Let me know, reach out to me if there's anything that's not working or anything that I can do to help you. Please don't hesitate to ask. So anyway, enjoy and let me know what works, let me know what doesn't work, and let me know if there's something you would like to see different. All right? So enjoy and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye, you guys.